Scout Automobile, welcome to back. Today, we're diving into something truly extraordinary. Now, the 2026 Dodge Coronet is back, and it's not just a car, it's a statement. From its roaring engine to its striking design, this vehicle demands attention. Whether you're cruising down city streets or tearing up the highway, the Coronet promises an experience unlike anything else in the modern automotive world. So buckle up, because we're about to explore every detail, every curve, every roar that makes this machine legendary. Starting at the back, the Coronet's rear design immediately tells you this isn't just a classic revival, it's a modern masterpiece. The taillights stretch across the width with a sleek LED strip that gives the car a futuristic look while nodding to its heritage. Those dual exhausts aren't just for show, they emit a powerful spine-tingling growl that announces your arrival with authority. The rear bumper is sculpted, aerodynamic, and muscular, giving the car a sense of planted stability even when it's standing still. Every angle is designed to maximize both performance and aesthetics. And if you take a closer look, you'll notice subtle hints of chrome that catch the light just right, emphasizing elegance amidst aggression. Even at a standstill, the 2026 Dodge Coronet feels alive, breathing power. Moving forward to the front, the Coronet greets you with a bold, unmistakable face. The grille is wide, imposing, and unmistakably Dodge, with blacked-out accents that add an aggressive touch. The LED headlights are sharp, almost predatory, cutting through the night like a laser. Every line from the hood flows toward the fenders, showing the car's athletic build. And let's not forget the hood vents. Functional, stylish, and a perfect indicator of the beast lying underneath. The front fascia isn't just for looks, it's aerodynamic, enhancing airflow and stability at high speeds. And the Dodge badge, sitting proudly at the center, isn't just a logo, it's a promise of power, performance, and a driving experience you won't forget. Now let's talk about the front left side. This is where the Coronet's true elegance shines. The long, muscular hood blends seamlessly into the cabin, while the sculpted side panels give it a dynamic, flowing silhouette. The wheel arches are aggressive, accommodating massive alloy wheels wrapped in performance tires, ensuring grip and style in perfect harmony. As sunlight hits the curves, shadows accentuate every line, making it look faster even when parked. And the side mirrors aren't just functional, they integrate turn indicators in aerodynamics, showing attention to even the smallest detail. Running your hand along the side, you'll feel the precision. The panels are tight, smooth, and exude quality. Every inch screams Dodge's commitment to craftsmanship and performance. Sliding into the interior, the 2026 Dodge Coronet transforms into a sanctuary of technology and luxury. The seats are sculpted for comfort and support, wrapped in premium leather with intricate stitching that highlights Dodge's dedication to detail. The dashboard is futuristic yet familiar, with a blend of classic analog dials and digital displays that put all critical information at your fingertips. Ambient lighting can be adjusted to suit your mood. Whether you're cruising at night or making a grand entrance at a luxury event, the cabin adapts. The steering wheel feels perfect in your hands, with controls thoughtfully placed to enhance driving without distraction. And the sound system? Studio-quality audio envelops you in clarity, turning every drive into a concert. Now let's rev the engine. Underneath the hood lies a masterpiece of engineering. The 2026 Dodge Coronet is available with multiple powertrains, each designed for performance enthusiasts. The base model offers a turbocharged V6, delivering smooth, exhilarating power ideal for daily driving. But for those seeking true adrenaline, the V8 option roars with over 700 horsepower, launching you from 0 to 60 in mere seconds. Transmission is precise, responsive, and paired with adaptive suspension, giving you control whether on highways, city streets, or winding mountain roads. Every drive feels alive. The car communicates through vibrations, sound, and motion, making you feel every ounce of power and torque. And Dodge hasn't just focused on raw performance, they've engineered braking, steering, and handling to match, ensuring that no power is wasted and every curve is conquered. Beyond the mechanics, the 2026 Dodge Coronet is loaded with cutting-edge technology. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and blind spot monitoring enhance safety without sacrificing driving excitement. The infotainment system is intuitive, featuring a large touchscreen with seamless smartphone integration, voice commands, and navigation that's fast, accurate, and visually stunning. Even the air conditioning system is smart, learning your preferences to keep the cabin perfectly comfortable. And for car enthusiasts, performance tracking tools monitor acceleration, G-forces, and more, letting you understand your car's capabilities like never before. This isn't just a car, it's a high-tech companion that amplifies every journey. But let's not forget the heritage. The Dodge Coronet has a legendary lineage dating back decades. Once a symbol of American muscle, it's now evolved to combine modern technology with classic styling cues. The 2026 model honors that history while pushing boundaries. From the sleek lines reminiscent of vintage muscle cars to the modern performance features, it's a bridge between eras. This car doesn't just look aggressive, it embodies a spirit of rebellion, adventure, and freedom. Every detail from the grille to the exhaust is a nod to the past while embracing the future. On the road, the Coronet is an experience like no other. The V8's growl resonates deep in your chest, commanding attention at every intersection. Suspension absorbs bumps seamlessly, making even the roughest roads feel smooth. Cornering is sharp yet controlled, thanks to precision engineering and tire technology that maximizes grip. The steering feedback is immediate, connecting you to the road in a way that few cars can replicate. Even acceleration isn't just about speed, it's about emotion, adrenaline, and connection. Driving the Coronet isn't transportation, it's performance art. And when it comes to customization, Dodge knows enthusiasts want individuality. From paint options to wheel designs, interior trims to performance packages, the Coronet can be tailored to your exact taste. Want a racing-inspired interior with carbon fiber accents? Done. Prefer a luxury-focused cabin with ambient lighting and top-tier materials? Dodge has you covered. Performance enhancements, sport suspensions, and exhaust upgrades are available, allowing you to craft a machine that is uniquely yours. Every owner can make the Coronet a personal masterpiece. Comparisons with competitors, the 2026 Dodge Coronet stands tall against the likes of the Chevrolet Camaro, Ford Mustang, and even luxury performance sedans. While others might compromise on style or power, the Coronet balances both with a rare elegance. Its cabin is quieter, more refined, yet the engine growl reminds you that beneath luxury lies raw muscle. Handling is sharper, tech more integrated, and the overall driving experience more thrilling. It doesn't just compete, it dominates. Luxury is not forgotten, either. Every touchpoint, every surface, exudes quality. Soft-touch materials, leather-wrapped steering, and meticulously designed controls make the interior feel like a premium lounge. Even storage is intelligently designed, with compartments, cup holders, and hidden spaces that are practical without compromising style. Long drives become comfortable adventures, and city commutes feel like commanding a luxury vessel. And the technology integration. It's seamless to tatsia, intuitive, and designed to enhance rather than distract. In terms of fuel efficiency and environmental responsibility, Dodge has made strides. Turbocharged engines are designed to maximize output while reducing emissions, and advanced engine management systems optimize fuel consumption without sacrificing performance. Hybrid or electrified variants are rumored for future releases, promising that the Coronet will remain relevant in a world moving towards sustainability. It's muscle, but it's mindful. Safety is paramount. The 2026 Coronet comes equipped with a suite of active and passive safety features, from reinforced body structure to advanced airbag systems, collision warning, automatic braking and driver assist technologies. These systems work seamlessly, ensuring that no matter how spirited you're driving, you're protected. For families, enthusiasts, or solo adventurers, peace of mind comes standard. The 2026 Dodge Coronet isn't just about cars, it's about culture. Owning one is a statement. It's about heritage, power, and style. It's about commanding attention without asking for it, about merging nostalgia with modernity. Every detail, every curve, every growl tells a story, one of American muscle redefined for today's world. And when you drive it, that story becomes yours. It's not just transport, it's identity, freedom, and emotion on four wheels. Whether you're in the city, on a highway, or exploring winding roads, the Coronet adapts and dominates. Its driving dynamics, comfort, tech, and style make it more than a car. It's an experience, one drive, and you understand why enthusiasts worldwide revere Dodge's commitment to muscle and luxury. And yet it's approachable. Base models provide thrilling performance for daily drivers, while high-performance trims satisfy adrenaline junkies seeking ultimate speed. Everyone can find a Coronet that fits their lifestyle, taste, and ambition. In conclusion, the 2026 Dodge Coronet is more than a car. It's a masterpiece of engineering, design, and legacy. Every aspect, from the rear to the front left side, interior to engine, tech to driving experience, has been meticulously crafted to thrill, engage, and inspire. For those who demand style, performance, and cutting-edge technology, the Coronet delivers in spades. It honors its past, embraces its present, and accelerates confidently into the future. Owning one isn't just about transportation, it's about experiencing life in its most exhilarating form. So step inside, start the engine, and let the 2026 Dodge Coronet show you what true American muscle really means.